So if you're like me, the peep sight on your bow has never been perfectly aligned. And people always say, oh, try messing with your D-loop or add twists. The way to fix it is free. It takes about 1 minute and it doesn't require a bow press. It's with something that looks like this called a peep aligner or a peep tuner. So let me show you how to do it. So if you go online and search for how to align your peep sight, you're going to get two main fixes that people always recommend. The first is they're going to say twist your D-loop. So twist your D-loop in the direction that it's aligned with your peep sight. So when you draw it back, you're actually twisting the string and that will align the peep sight. That works, but it seems like it's a temporary fix. I'm always having to twist the D-loop and I'm always having to twist the string. It only works for a few shots and you're always messing with it. It's not permanently fixed. The second fix people say is put it in a bow press. Take out a half twist on this side of the string, add a half twist to this side of the string, and that will align the peep sight. That works, but it's a pain. Maybe you don't have a bow press. Maybe you don't want to mess with the string. In a previous video, I showed how to make your own homemade bow press, but even that, you don't want to mess the string if you don't have to. You're like, you know what, it's fine. I'll just live with it. I'll just mess with the D-loop or twist the string every shot. But the way you can fix this is with something that looks like this. It's called a peep tuner or peep aligner. Now, one option is you can buy this. You can go on Amazon and buy it. It's 20 bucks. You don't have to do that. All it is a little piece of plastic that looks like an hourglass. All it is a spacer. You're adding a spacer to your string. Adding that spacer will increase the twist of your string and it will twist that peep to align. So you don't have to buy this for $20. The next option is what I did. I own a 3D printer. Now I know a lot of people don't own a 3D printer and you don't have to, but you can go online and download the 3D file of a peep tuner and print it out. So I printed a bunch of different peep aligners, peep tuners of different sizes because you're going to need different sizes. If your peep is really out of whack, you need a larger one. If it's just a little bit out of whack, you can insert the smaller spacer. So I printed out several different peep aligners and I can use the right one on my bow. But you probably don't have a 3D printer, so you're going to have to go with option number 3. And option number 3 is to use some string or paracord. Now you could always find something, maybe in a workshop like this, find a piece of plastic and make something that looks like that little hourglass. Now one key to know is you want it to be smooth. You don't want any sharp edges because you're going to be pushing this up into your bowstring and you don't want to cut any of those strings. Make something that looks like an hourglass, that looks like the peep aligner. You can make different sizes, but 2 different paracords works just fine. So let me show you how to do it with paracord. All you need to do is take the paracord, cut it, and then take a lighter and burn one of those ends. And you want to shape it kind of like a barbell, like an hourglass. That's the shape you want because you're going to insert this and you want the hourglass or the barbell to stay on the outside and then the skinny part to lock in the middle. You can cut it 1/4 of an inch and that should be fine. Once you have that one end like a barbell, then you take the lighter and fashion the other end. Again, you don't want any sharp ends, but you want something that looks like that, or even smaller. And the great thing about paracord is you can make 100 of these until you get one that actually works and fits in your string. Now for the next step, I'll show you how to install it, and I'm going to use the 3D printed peep aligner. Right above your peep sight is that gap. You put the peep aligner in there, and you just slide it up. And as you do, there's going to be a big gap here, but you want to twist that back. When you get it high enough, and the string, it'll snap back. See how it's snapped back underneath? You don't want it a big gap in there. You want it to twist back on there. And you can get this peep aligner higher or lower. You can slide it up or down on the string. And depending on how far your peep is out of whack, you need a different size spacer. So if you're just a little bit out of alignment, you can use a thin piece of paracord or that D-loop string or something like that. If you're more out of alignment, you can use paracord that's maybe 1/8 of an inch spacer. But that's the trick. That's all it is you're going to add a spacer in the string that will increase the twist of your bowstring and it'll align your peep sight. So I hope this helps. Thanks.